Hello, I'm Catherine Sky Tomlinson, or Dr. Sky. Welcome to our TIL Tech Talk series. This portion is on the Google Workspace and accessibility. There's a federal mandate that changes the game in favor of accessibility. We're going to break down exactly what the WCAG accessibility rules mean for you and how to make sure your documents are accessible. At the very heart of this mandate, basically it says that all main website and educational materials have to meet a very specific standard. That standard is the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. You can think of this as the new gold standard for making sure your content is usable by everyone. So, first up is structure. Now, someone should be able to navigate the entire document using just their keyboard, and they have to be structured with proper headings and tags. A screen reader uses the headings in your document to create a virtual table of contents for the user. It lets them skim and jump around. So, if you skip a level, like going straight from heading 1 to heading 3, you're basically deleting a chapter out of what the table of contents would have had. So it's confusing. Try to make these sequential on your headings, okay? Now, let's talk about links. We've all seen click here about a million times, right? But for someone using a screen reader who's just tabbing through the links on a page, click here gives them no context. A descriptive link, something like download annual report, is recommended. It's a small change, but has a massive impact on usability. So here's we run into this all the time. It's color contrast. Look at the text on the left. That's tough for a lot of people to read, not just those with visual impairments. The official WCAG standard requires a contrast ratio of at least 4.5 to 1 for normal text. And of course, there are a few other big ones to think about. Every single image, chart, or drawing that conveys information needs descriptive alt text. You can't rely on color alone to get a point across. Think about adding symbols or labels to your tables. Only use them for data. Don't use them to just create visual layout on your page. It wreaks havoc on the screen readers. Now, speaking of tools, here's a pro tip that will save headaches when you're ready to share your Google Doc as a PDF. Whatever you do, do not just go to File and Save as PDF. That standard option takes out all the important structural tags. So you'll have to use an accessibility aware tool like Grackle add-on to make sure all your improvements transfer. Now, accessibility isn't just another task to check off the list. It's about how you're going to make all of your documents more inclusive for everyone. Thank you for viewing. I'm Catherine Sky Tomlinson with Till Tech Talk.